Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original Studios at jessicalynoriginal.com. Today I want to show you a brand new digital stamp that we have available on our website. So when you first visit our website, jessicalynoriginal.com, you can see that we have a bunch of digital images available. We also love creating custom rubber stamps. So you can see we make ones with our designs already, or we could make something completely unique for you. I draw all the art that you see on my website, so again, I can pretty much make whatever you want as long as it's not a copyrighted character. Now I want to go ahead and show you two of my brand new digital stamps. They are for Valentine's Day, so we still got plenty of time to download. The nice part about an instant download is you go out to the website, you add it to the cart, you check out, and you can download it within less than 2 or 3 minutes, so super fast. Now all of these designs, again, I do draw them, which I think is so much fun, and one of these days I think I'm gonna have to do some videos where I do some additional drawing to show you my process. I'm old school. I draw them with a pen and ink. I do a lot of cleanup, but if you want to purchase this, you go ahead, you add quantity 1, add it to your cart, fill in your information, check out, and you're good to go. And one of the things I love about digitals is that it is just that quick, right? So, because sometimes you get impatient waiting for them to come in the mail. But with digital stamps, just so that you know, basically the way they work, and this is pretty much the same for all stamp companies, so make sure you read the fine print, but you get them right away. They're for personal use only. So this doesn't mean you're purchasing all rights to this. You can't go ahead and resell it. You can't go ahead and offer it as part of a collection. But you could make handmade cards and sell those at a craft fair by all means. We do offer, if you're interested in a commercial process, go ahead and contact us because I do work with quite a few people who have me create commercial art for them. So once I download a digital stamp, typically what I'll do is I'll store it in a specific folder. I'll open up a Word document, and as you can see with the ruler on the top, I can actually kind of figure out how large I want the image to be. Now that's really helpful when you're making cards, especially if you're looking for a specific size. If you see a card layout or a template, it's wonderful because you can shrink or increase the size of that digital stamp to actually fit your layout, which is really cool because sometimes, when you purchase a regular photopolymer stamp, you can't do that. I'm going to toss a couple of them in here, and then I'm going to just put some text down at the bottom just saying Happy Valentine's Day. I always like to leave a little extra space between them because I do use my brother's Scan and Cut to assist me with cutting out the perfect, 1/4 inch or smaller outline around them. Just as a reminder, if you are interested, we would love for you to go ahead and subscribe to our channel. It costs nothing, and anytime we upload a video, we'll just send you a notice on YouTube letting you know it's there. Don't forget to like this video as well. Now what I'm doing is I'm just showing you I can adjust fonts, so I can even make my own sentiments, all kinds of fun stuff, which is why I really love the digital stamps. From here, all I'm going to do is go ahead and Control P to print, put in the right cardstock, off I go. Now, Hetty, who is someone I've known for quite a long time, reached out and said, I would love to create some samples for you. And I love that. So if you're interested, toss me a message. She lives in another country, was able to go on my website, download these beautiful images, and create some sample cards to be able to show you how beautiful this digital stamp is when you're card making. And how fun, too. Valentine's Day, I mean, super easy. This one reminds me of a Shrinky Dink, but I love it. Hetty, thank you so much for showcasing our stamps. It means so much to me. As always, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to visit my website, jessicalynoriginal.com. Don't forget to subscribe. We just hit 2,400 subscribers and we are on our way to 3,000. And I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you again, and I hope that you have an absolutely wonderful day. Take care.